In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create webmail in Replit. We'll use Replit's built-in prompt box to generate a simple, beginner-friendly webmail project for you, complete with a clean interface, a basic login, an inbox and sent messages view, and a Python Flask backend that stores messages in SQLite. By the end, you'll see how quickly you can go from an idea to a working project template you can customize. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. When the page loads, you should land on the dashboard, which is the central hub where your projects live. Give the page a second to load fully so every tool is available. Next, locate the prompt box. Depending on your view, you'll find it near the top or along the side of the workspace. It's the place where you can describe what you want to build in natural language, and Replit will generate code and project files for you. Click into the prompt box and type a clear instruction describing the webmail you want. Being specific helps the generator produce a better result. For example, you can write, create a simple webmail application. Features, user can send and receive messages, inbox and sent messages page, simple login system using a username and password, store messages in SQLite, clean UI with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, backend using Python Flask, well-commented and beginner-friendly code. This prompt outlines the tech stack and the features, so the tool knows exactly what to scaffold. Avoid putting any real usernames or passwords in your prompt. Keep credentials generic for now. When you're happy with the prompt, press enter on your keyboard to send it. You'll see Replit begin to process your request. Replit will then generate your prompt. Behind the scenes, it's creating files and code based on the description you provided. You might notice folders for the backend, templates for pages like inbox and sent, and a database setup for SQLite. Now wait until your webmail is ready. You'll know it's done when the file tree and editor stop updating and the status indicators settle. This can take a moment, especially for projects with multiple files. If the first version doesn't fully match what you envisioned, you can refine your prompt later by clarifying features or style, but for now, just let the generation complete. That's it. You've used Replit to scaffold a webmail application from a single, thoughtful prompt. From here, you can explore the files, read the comments, and plan how you'll customize the look, routes, and database fields to fit your needs, all starting from a solid foundation.